Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This trip is extra special because I'm celebrating my 50th birthday in one of the most iconic cities in the world, Rome. In 2015, I celebrated my 40th birthday with the 12-day tour of Rome. I vowed then that I would return for my 50th. The next day, we got up and we toured Vatican City, the Sistine Chapel, and we went to St. Peter's Basilica, which is where I learned about the Holy Doors and the Jubilee year. Of course, none of this was planned, but we did arrive in Rome the morning of Thursday, May 8th, which was the first full day of conclave. So as soon as we got there, we checked into our hotel and we went straight to Vatican City to catch some of the action. I'm here to help them pick the Pope. No Pope. We got black smoke this time. Go over here and show you guys what we see. So there's St. Peter's Basilica. And if I were to walk up there in the crowd of people, Sistine Chapel is over to the right. I really don't have any desire to get up in that storm of people, but they have this screen out here where you can see the smoke. So everybody's leaving. People are probably going to go get lunch now. It wasn't as many people here about 30 minutes ago, but people started filing in the last 30 minutes. We'll probably walk up there when we finish eating lunch. So we actually have a seat right here. There's hubby, so we actually have a prime time seat. I said I would definitely be back in Rome for my 50th birthday, but I didn't think I would be here during conclave, so a little extra bonus. Later that afternoon, there was white smoke signaling the next pope had been elected. What a treat for me. If you plan to visit Rome this year, signing up on the Jubilee site is a great way to skip the lines to walk through the Holy Doors.
Call it the other half of me is called
the red apple.
No. Oh, it's called the Apple Cafe, and it is so hot. The red apple.
They do make things easier.
What?
We are about to walk up to the entrance to St. Peter's Basilica to walk through the Holy Doors.
Yes.
This is what we have here. said 10 years ago that I would come back, and during the Jubilee year, so that I can walk through the holy doors. Happy birthday, I'm back. Because this was my 5th time at St. Peter's Basilica, we didn't stick around long. We decided to head on to our next stop, which is Castel Santangelo. After seeing Castel Santangelo, we headed over to Villa Borghese to ride the rowboats on their pond. We did a similar excursion at Versailles when we visited Paris back in 2022. Had a great little time on these little rowboats. So now we're gonna see what else we can get ourselves into. Ready, babe? The adventure continues. The next day, we slept in a bit before having some lunch at the hotel and then heading out to relax and enjoy each other's company and a couple of Rome's beautiful piazzas. As usual, we had a great time in Rome, but these 3 days were just the beginning. Tomorrow, we board the Royal Caribbean Odyssey of the Seas for a 7-day Mediterranean cruise. I cannot wait. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel so you can come along for part 2 of my 50th birthday celebration. All right, I'll see you guys on the cruise in the next vlog.